Hey everyone, so I know that this lighting really sucks, but I'm at work and this isn't my video of me like coming back. I will have more of an update video coming, but I thought I would post a video. Right now, I am trying to open these little boxes. These are Disney Crossy Road boxes that I got from the dollar store. They were $1.50. So I thought that I would just open them with you and yeah, so if you guys know me, I love pretty much anything Disney. My favorite is Nightmare Before Christmas. I think there's a few more, but I can't remember off the top of my head. So this is the first one. And it comes with one per bag kind of thing. I hope we don't have to assemble them, because if we have to assemble them, this might be for another day. And I don't even know like which ones you can get, if you can get like every one or just like certain ones. Okay, so first off we have, a donkey. So he's really cute. You guys can see, I totally forget where he's from. I'm pretty sure he's from Toy Story. Correct me if I'm wrong, write it down below. But yeah, so I got him in the first one. And yeah, so I'm in my work uniform, as you can tell. I am just in between right now. I stopped at the dollar store. Thought I would open these for you guys before I went back inside. And I was really curious and really didn't want to wait a whole lot longer to open them. So, and I have to use my keys to open all these bags. That's the thing about these is that there's so much garbage. Oh, I think this is Pete. Is this Pete? Pretty sure it's Pete. They look so cute. I might have to go back and honestly buy more. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them, but they were Disney, so I thought, you know, why not? And for $1.50, makes for these cute little videos, because I know some people like unboxing, some people don't. But as you guys know, people that have been here for a while, my channel is not just about one thing. It's basically about whatever I want to post. So then this is the last one. Like I said, I only bought 3 of these cute little cubes, but, and oh my goodness, I'm not complaining about the sun, but I don't have my window open right now because my phone's kind of propped up in my window and like everywhere else. I'm dying of heat. Oh, it's Jessie! Oh, do they have, I think some of them have stands. I don't know if they all have stands. Maybe they all have stands. I'll have to check that before I throw in the garbage. But there's Jessie. She looks so cute. She looks kind of weird because she doesn't have a mouth, but I mean, she might look a little bit better if she had a mouth, but. So then they just go on this and, it's so cute. You can like stand up. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this car vlog. Like I said, I'm going to come back with more videos eventually, probably within the next month. It just, I had a lot going on. So now that it's kind of like evened out, we're ready to go. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hey everyone, so I have more of these little boxes. I bought 3 more of these Disney Crossy Road boxes. So I'm going to add the other video into this one and then upload it to YouTube so you'll see it. But last time we got Pete, we got the donkey from Toy Story, which his name was Bullseye, and then we got Jessie, I do believe. Those are the 3 that we got. For me, it's been like 2 weeks. For you, it'll be like 30 seconds. So I'm going to open the first one, because I didn't want to pre-open these for you guys. And then we can see the surprise together. Okay, and it's not going to be the greatest quality because I'm filming on my phone right now. But when I get back into actually making more videos, it will be better quality. I do have a giveaway. See, I don't know if I've told you all this in the other part of this video, but if not, if I did, sorry to repeat myself. If not, whatever. Yeah. So they come in these little things. And this one, it's Zorg. I think, pretty sure that's his name. Emperor Zorg from Toy Story. So that's what he looks like right there. I love these. These are awesome. That's what he looks like. And then he goes on a little stand. So far, I bought them at 2 different dollar stores. And all I've gotten is Toy Story ones. And like, obviously I got one Pete one, but I'm not mad. I like Toy Story, but be nice to get something a little different. Yeah, let's open the second one. If you guys want to see more unboxing of these types of videos, let me know, because I don't want to make them if no one wants to watch them, but I also want to make them if people want to watch them. So I have this one. Oh, this one looks like he might be different. We got Minnie! He is so cute! Okay, so this is what Minnie looks like for you guys. She is super adorable. I'm excited. Got someone different that's not Toy Story. Like I said, love Toy Story and all, but it's nice to get a variety. I might definitely have to go back and pick up a few more boxes. That might be another video, because of the fact that I'm getting addicted to these guys. Like I said, I like Disney, so. And I might pick up some and send them to, so I follow a YouTuber who's kind of smaller, and she's Disney, so she's kind of like what erupted my, sorry, that's the thing that sucks about recording a phone, is when people call, it stops. So I have this one. I haven't opened it yet, as you guys can see. I didn't want you guys to think that I was cheating. So last one. So I don't have a double yet. This is awesome. I got Goofy. So as I was saying, I might get some of these for the YouTuber that I watch and send them to her, because she's crazy about them. That's what these look like right here. He is so cute. I cannot believe it. And I don't know where I'm going to put these all yet, but I'm going to put them somewhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. And I am coming back, and I promise. So you guys might just get like little snippets like these kind of videos for now. If you like them, let me know. Also, let me know what you guys would like to see in the future. I do have a lot of like unboxings coming up, and stuff like that. Like I'm going to do like an update video. It might be this kind of format. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!